We've all been there. You step off a plane after a long flight, ready to take on a new city, but your body has other plans. You're exhausted during the day and wide awake all night. It's an undeniable truth of long-distance travel, but why is it so hard to shake? Why can't we prevent jet lag? Jet lag is a lot weirder than you might think. It's not just a sign that you're tired from traveling. It's a biological revolt. Your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm, is totally out of sync with your new time zone. This master clock, located in a part of the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, manages everything from your sleep-wake cycles to your appetite and hormone production. It's a precise 24-hour schedule, but when you travel across time zones, you're essentially jumping hours ahead or behind, and your brain doesn't have a fast-forward button. So what would it take to actually stop jet lag? It's not a simple case of just powering through it. The challenge is reprogramming your internal clock. Think of your body as a high-tech smart house. Your internal clock is the central control panel, managing when the lights go on and off, when the heating kicks in, and when the blinds open. Jet lag is like unplugging the house and plugging it back in somewhere else. Everything is now on the wrong schedule. Your circadian rhythm takes its cues from environmental signals, with light being the most powerful. When light hits your retina, it sends a signal to your brain's master clock, telling it what time of day it is. To prevent jet lag, we would need to manually adjust this system. We could trick our brains by using controlled lighting on a plane to simulate a new time zone, or take a pill that directly adjusts the master clock. We'd have to find a way to speed up or slow down the body's natural processes, something we're still a long way from understanding completely. So what's stopping us? We can't just flip a switch to reset our internal clocks. While we've learned a lot about the science of sleep and circadian rhythms, we're still working with a biological system that evolved over millennia to react to a 24-hour day-night cycle. We can't simply fast-track evolution. Plus, everyone's body is different, so a one-size-fits-all solution is almost impossible. Could we ever make jet lag a thing of the past? Maybe. Researchers are currently looking into things like gene therapy and specialized light therapy that could help reset our internal clocks more effectively. Some companies are also experimenting with jet lag apps that suggest the perfect time to get light exposure and when to avoid it. But until we can literally reach in and change our internal wiring, jet lag will probably always be a part of long-distance travel. The very thing that makes our bodies so efficient and predictable is the same thing that makes it so stubborn. It's a strange thing to think about, that our bodies, in all their brilliance and adaptability, are still so tied to the sun. Is the stubbornness of our own internal clocks the ultimate price we pay for exploring our planet so quickly? If this got you thinking, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the questions that spark curiosity. There's a whole world of what-ifs and why-nots waiting to be explored. What topic should I tackle next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I read every single one. Until next time, keep questioning everything.